Hi, how are you guys? Present simple tense. I go out for a walk every morning. You go to bed late. We pay to on God. He thanks me. We waste our time. Past simple tense. We went to Ancho yesterday. He rang me up. Did you pay the fine? Fine. He rode a house. Did he go to Leo? Future simple. I shall go to Lehru tomorrow. The rich will help the poor. We shall go to Joe in the evening. I shall accept his proposal. You will not tell a lie. Present continuous tense. It is ringing. I am waiting for my father. You are touching face. He is weeping at the death of his doctor. They are flying kids. Parts continue tense. The boy was reading his lessons. They were spilling water in the courtyard. The students were wasting time. It was raining. Were we making a noise? Future continuous tense. The boys will be doing the sum. The barber will be coming here every day. He will not be looking for you. The doctor will not be tearing patient. Will he is having a new pen. Perfect. Present perfect continuous tense. The body of the have been crying since morning. The boys have been playing in the playground all the hour. He had been waiting for me since everything. He has been living in the houses 1970. He has not been weeping since 4 o'clock. Past perfect continuous. We had been playing since morning. The child had been weeping since evening. The boys had been solving the sum in the minute. He had been touching in the college since 1990. Is had not been ringing since morning. Future perfect continuous. I shall have been studying in the college for 2 years. We shall have been waiting for you since morning. He will have been praying for rain for 2 months. I shall have been learning the poem for hours. The doctor will not have been treating the patients since yesterday. Perfect tense. Present perfect tense. We have body match. I have learned my lesson. The servant has lit his lamp. We have heard the news. He has not followed his promise. Salim had already posted the letter when they visited in the house and when he stopped. I had never seen such beautiful pictures before. I had never seen such a life before. You had gone before came. Future perfect tense. He had have written a letter. The farmer will have polluted the field.